Today, we're diving into the world of guava leaf tea, a hidden gem in the tea world. Stick around as we explore its unique flavors and surprising health benefits. Immune boost. First up, guava leaf tea is a powerhouse of vitamin C, which can give your immune system the boost it needs, especially during the winter months when colds and flu are lurking around. Anti-inflammatory magic. The anti-inflammatory properties in guava leaves can help reduce inflammation in your body, promoting overall well-being. Antioxidant goodness. Antioxidants in guava leaf tea fight off those free radicals, helping to combat oxidative stress and keep you feeling youthful and healthy. Blood sugar control. Research suggests that guava leaf tea may play a role in blood sugar regulation, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their levels. Digestive support. If you struggle with digestive issues, guava leaf tea might be your new best friend. It's known to have soothing effects on the digestive system, potentially reducing discomfort. Weight management. For those on a weight management journey, guava leaf tea could be a supportive addition to your routine, aiding in your overall wellness goals. Antimicrobial properties. Guava leaves have antimicrobial properties that can help your body fend off infections, a crucial aspect, especially during the winter season. Stress reduction. Last but not least, the compounds in guava leaves may have a calming effect on your nervous system, offering a little extra stress relief during the winter blues. Thanks for joining us on this tea adventure. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Until next time, happy sipping!